3 days of snow and freezing temperatures have coated Thomasville, and for some businesses frozen their sales. I'm Leanne Abutarbush, your Thomasville neighborhood reporter, and I'm uncovering how the storm has turned icy profit into no profit for local businesses here. Thomasville looks like a winter postcard.
I don't think anybody in Thomasville that has actually lived here their whole life and never gone anywhere else and seen it has ever seen it like this.
But behind the snow-covered streets, businesses are struggling to recover. Nina's Creamery, a family-run ice cream shop owned by Pamela and Miguel Contreras, was hit hard.
We left New York hoping to never see snow again, and here we are.
The family was forced to close their shop for 2 days, losing about $1,000 in revenue. Even before the snowstorm, the freezing temperatures were already affecting their business.
Guys, we count on every single day to bring in business, right? Yes, we were closed for 2 days, but even starting Monday and Tuesday was very cold. So we didn't have as many people come in because they were getting ready for the snow.
Pamela says it's been a tough winter overall with fewer customers compared to last year.
So last winter, we were not as cold as this winter. So we were probably busier than your usual, October or November. But this year it's really cold. So yeah, it is a little low season for us compared to last year and the year before that.
But there's hope on the horizon.
And we're hoping that those parents that are home and that have been locked inside the house for the last 2 days with their kids come out and get some ice cream and get some fresh air.
And I asked neighbors if they'll be supporting local businesses like Nina's Creamery now that the storm is over.
I don't think anybody's gonna want ice cream right now.
I do.
What?
Ice cream! Ice cream! We all shop for ice cream!
Even though the curfew has been lifted, officials are urging neighbors to travel with extreme caution, especially on State Roads 3, 188, 202, and 122. In Thomasville, I'm Leanne Abutarbush, ABC 27.